Pagination allows you to add a page numbering system to content that stretches across multiple pages. This HTML page shows an example of a basic pagination style using the pagination class. To create this, we start by making an unordered list using the UL tags. We assign a class attribute and set it to pagination. Next, we create our list elements. Inside each list element, we have a link and a page number. With pagination, we can set different options. If we wanted to show an active status on one of the page numbers, we can add a class attribute to the list element and set it to active. We'll go ahead and set item number 2 to active. Now if we save the file and refresh the page, we can see that page number 2 is now active. We can also disable a link so it cannot be clicked, and we can do that by adding the disabled class. So if we save and refresh, we can no longer click on page number 3. To resize a pagination block, the pagination large or pagination small class can be added to the UL tags. We'll start with the pagination large class. When we refresh it, you can see that the links are now larger. And we'll change LG to small, SM, and see the difference. We can see that it's now much smaller. We can also change the style of pagination to breadcrumb by updating the UL class. And that's what the breadcrumb style looks like. So I've just updated some of the labels to text labels, which is more commonly used with breadcrumbs. And so you can see that it creates a nice navigation menu.